All right. Who's in there? Hi. Hi, baby. Who are you? Who are you? Look at that little one. Look at him. That's Toothless. That's
Angelica.
Angelica. That's either Phil or Lil. They're twins. And that getting cleaned in there is Corky, the calico. And that's Mommy. Hi, Angel. Oh, this is Angelica. This one looks like Angel. And that's Toothless. He looks like a little Toothless. Aw, look at that one in there. So cute. He's so pretty. Don't be shy. Look at, here comes the other one. He's, hi. You coming here to play? No. He says, yeah, I'm gonna come in here and play with you. Hello. Now they're all behind Mommy. Look at him. Hi. Oh, look at that one's cleaning Corky. Look at Angelica's cleaning Corky. Or wait, Angelica's over there. That must be Phil. Oh, it stinks in here. That's why they're over there.
You wouldn't say things like that while you're recording because it gets picked up.
Oh.
Now you got to upload that. It's going to say that.
So that's okay. We're gonna clean it all out. This is all gonna be cleaned out this weekend. We're gonna take them all out. Look at that. Oh, that's so sweet. Look at Toothless is. Hi, Mama. Hi. Peekaboo. Look at Toothless. He says, hi, Mommy. I spank you. I spank your face. See, Mama, I got your cheek. I got your cheek. What you guys doing? What you guys doing? Oh. Talk. They're scratching. They're playing in the box. They're so cute. Aww. Okay. It's recording now. No, we're going to clean this all out. The next time they see movies, it's going to be of a brand new house.